A spark plug heat shield reflects radiant heat, preventing lasting damage to the wire. GM recommended replacement part for your GM vehicle's original factory component. Offering the quality, reliability, and durability of GM OE. Manufactured to GM OE specification for fit, form, and function. An ACDelco GM original equipment spark plug heat shield offers the maximum protection for both spark plugs and boots from conductive and radiant heat. They provide strain relief, vibration resistance, and are the GM recommended an exact replacement for your GM vehicle's original components. These original equipment spark plug heat shield has been manufactured to fit your GM vehicle, providing the same performance, durability, and service life you expect from General Motors. Top reviews from the United States. OEM Replacements. These worked great on my 2003 GMC Sierra 2500 HD 6.0 work truck. The originals did have a heat-resistant cylinder of brown paper inside the shields. I used a small pair of needle nose pliers to carefully pull the paper cylinders from the old shields and slowly pushed them onto the spark plug wire and then pushed it into the heat shield. Perfect, just like it was from the factory when I bought the truck.